What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. I'm gonna try and do this fast today. I really wanted to get a cod fishing video up for you guys today, but it's gonna take me forever to edit the video that I just started yesterday, and so I just got a package in the mail, which I didn't know was coming today, and I'm pumped. So we're gonna do an unboxing today, and we'll do the cod video that was gonna come out today, tomorrow, and we have quite a few cod videos in a row for you guys. Offshore fishing craziness. And then hopefully we can get some more ice fishing stuff in. So guys, last week on Wednesday, we did a rebuttal to our HT tip-up video saying not to buy these things. After talking with them on the phone, we got a lovely little package here of some things we got to fix these tip-ups. I believe that's what's in here. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, Knox to make an appearance. Hi, it's great to see you. So lovely to see you. You want to help me open this, Knox? What's in here? Alright. Crack this bad boy open here. Alright. Let's see. Okay, we got some styrofoam. Just kidding, I don't even know what the heck this is. This is definitely filler package. We got, oh man, this is the thermal hole cover, guys. So this is going to be going down on the ice. First, this is huge. So as you can see, it's way bigger than the tip up, probably a good 12 inches, which means for my 10-inch auger holes, this is going to be key. And then you're going to pop this bad boy down, throw it right on there, like so. Guys, that's going to keep the hole from freezing and sit this puppy perfectly on the 10-inch auger holes. This can be used with any tip-up, guys. You can use it with the old school tip-ups. I don't have any inside, they're all in the car. But this thing is dope. That is dope. I'm really excited for that. Really excited for that. What else do we got in here? This is a HT sports towel. Guys, down in the comments, down in the description, we're going to link the HT website. All of this stuff you can go buy on the HT website. If you can't find it, let me know, and we'll figure it out for you. But this is a high stitch count towel material for long-lasting durability. And then this really cool belt loop on here, so you can either attach it to yourself or your bucket. This is sick. I could use this on the boat like every day. This could just, like, the amount of times I need a freaking towel. This little carabiner. HT, baby. So, it's funny. After talking with the guys from HT, we actually ended up developing a friendship. And I'm going to be working with these guys. We're going to do reviews for them. We're going to, check out their products. And this right now, I mean, this is great. Okay, so here, folks, we have the flags we were talking about. Very gentle material. We need to take much better care of these than we did. But as you can see, they're telescopic. You got to come down one thing at a time, because when you, especially after they've been out in the freaking crazy elements, you don't want to just jam the whole thing down. You don't want to jam the whole thing out either. So you got to bring it out super slow and put it in super slow. You don't want to mess with this. Now, real quick, I'll get back into the box. I want to show you guys if you can buy these. So say your tip-ups are out of warranty, you go right on the website. These are $6 for a flag. You might as well get a couple extra ones for if one breaks. You don't even have to wait for it. You just slap that some B right on there. This is my old. This is the old broken flag right here. The old brokey. And all you need to do is literally grab that and pull it right off. The old broken one here. Take this new one. Super freaking easy. Jam that bad boy right down on there. You get a working flag. Like I said in the last video, if you can see your flag, if you keep this close to your shelter, no need to even bring it up any. So this thing clicks right in here and stores beautifully. And these fit right in the 5-gallon bucket. Let's fix another one real quick. I already pulled one off of this other one. I just have these two literally sitting right in front of me. The other ones are in the car. Right here. Already pulled off the old one. Well, let's just go ahead and screw that bad boy down there pretty much. That's it. Tip-ups are brand freaking new basically. Oh, this is great. This is freaking great. What else do we have in the box? Premium cap light. So this is a LED light for your cap. You can put it right on your cap. And the dope thing about this is this doesn't run on batteries. You charge it with the USB. I mean, so it's still running on a battery, obviously, but it's you can recharge it. This is sick. Oh damn, thing's bright. Nice. It's got the blue lights that look purple on here. Strobe for parties. Super bright. Blue strobe. Wow. And a cool USB to go with it. This thing clips right onto your hat. Sick. Sick. Alright. What else we got here? Knox, really? You're precious. I don't know why you want to hang out with me so much today. Some HT stickers. Dope. We got some. Maybe we'll include some of these in the next giveaway. Some extras. Oh, I'm digging this. HT beanie. Oh, that's my cup of tea right there. That's sick. That is dope. Oh, I love beanies. Love beanies. Especially in the wintertime. This one's sick. HT Enterprises trucker cap. Now normally I don't look good in trucker caps. I look like a buffoon. But let's go ahead and try it on. Oh, it actually kind of fits my freaking head. Wow, that's that never happens with trucker hats. I always look terrible in them. Sick. Oh man, one more thing. Oh man, this is great, guys. HT Ice Fishing hoodie. The best part is on the back. Nothing beats ice fishing. Nothing. That's so sick. Oh man, let's put this on real quick. Awesome. Fits so well. It's absolutely perfect fit. Absolutely perfect fit. Trucker cap, beanie, decked out HT style. So we are super excited to be working with these guys. You know, after talking to them for a while, I realized how incredible of a company this was. You know, to take what I had to say and actually want to improve on the product. And I'm extremely grateful and extremely thankful that I took the time to contact them in the first place, because we wouldn't be here today. My flags wouldn't be fixed. I wouldn't have even known about these awesome hole covers that'll keep this tip. I mean, now these tip ups, everything that I didn't like about this tip up, which was the flag and the fact that they were just a touch too small, they fixed all of that for me. I'm jacked up beyond belief. So guys, do me a favor, if you have any questions about anything HT, feel free to ask. Take a look at their website, and you'll be amazed at the amount of different things they have on there. I had no idea how crazy big this website is. Wow, this hoodie's comfy. Hats are comfy. This is the most comfortable hat that's not a fitted hat that I've ever put on my head. Most hats do not fit my head at all, because it's a friggin' child's head. I gotta wear these. The Franchise is the only brand I've ever had that fit my head, and that's their smallest fitted hat. This actually works. It's not like puffing up off my head like most hats do. I'm stoked. Stoked. So I'm gonna get this video up as fast as possible. The next few videos are gonna be COD videos. Obviously, we'll be doing a review on Wednesday, and that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm so pumped to have you guys along. Do me a favor, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well. We're dropping videos every single weekday. And also, yeah, we do have a really cool unboxing Monster Bass ice fishing box coming out. I think I might try and get that out for you guys on Saturday. So we might be doing a weekend upload this week. I got a lot to do today. I got a lot to do tomorrow. Whew. This is hard work. It's hard work, but it's paying off. And I just gotta keep thanking you guys for staying tuned in, for sharing the videos, for being a part of this whole thing. When we unbox the Monster Bass ice fishing box, we're actually going to be giving away a bunch of stuff from this month's Monster Bass box, and there's some really cool stuff in there, so stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next one. Fish on.
Dump and jump for the shit up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field, say vivid for the ears. I know that's how they like.